Once again, we visited another client for the commissioning of the new ROV. Here, the old RB-600, which was produced by us for more than 10 years and was actively used by the client. And this is a new RB-600D. Feels the difference between generation and technologies. We asked Alexander, the operator of the company, to tell us about the main differences between the new robot and the old one. They received this new ROV a couple of days ago and already actively working with it. Now they are doing the same job they did a year ago, inspecting the anchor chains on the seabed. The main advantages of the new RB-600D are it keeps better in the current, dives faster and holds the course perfect. For example, on an old robot to work in fast mode and move forward, it floated up and the operator had to keep it down a little. On the new robot, in any mode it runs smoothly. Also, there is a better camera compared with the old one, and quality of its image is much higher. Added a rear view camera and the image from the second camera goes to the main screen. This allows the operator to better control the operation of the robot and helps with inspections. The possibility of new cameras have expanded. It can work both in color mode and in black and white mode. Both front and rear cameras have a wide range of settings to improve visibility in polluted water. The surface unit is equipped with a computer that stores all photos and video taken during operation. The new robot has new lighting. The light from the RGB lamps can be adjusted depending on the quality of the water and the lighting underwater. Thanks to this, the picture on the screen has improved significantly. They also appreciated with the possibility of the new version of the autoheat. It's very important during an inspection. Underwater objects, pipes or cables, you need to keep the robot course along the line of the object. This mode works very easily. The robot course is set by the operator from the remote control. The operator fixes the course he needs, corrects it if necessary, and then simply moves the ROV forward. Deviation of the ROV from the course due to the wind, current, or other disturbing forces will be detected by gyro compass and compensated by the thruster. The anchor chain the company inspects now is on the seabed, and in some places it's covered with a silt. Auto heat mode allows the client to move sure along the chain and not lose it. Alexander was very pleased with the new ROV RB-600D and its capabilities. The operator's work has become more convenient, easier and faster.